Hi guys, hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time here, please click on the subscribe button and join us right here. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you so much for always tuning in. I am so delighted to have you guys in my corner. Welcome back to a new video, guys. As you can see the name or the title of this video, yes, another brand. Yes, another brand. I'm actually so excited and I can't contain my excitement. Honestly, I'm just grateful to God. And anyways, let's keep that aside for another video. So as you guys can see, I am here to talk to you guys about a brand. Yeah, I'm here to talk to you guys about a brand. Vooglam. I know the name is not written here, but like, yeah, we're going to be talking about Vooglam. So Vooglam is an online-based eyewear store that specializes in standard glasses, prescribed glasses, and even sunglasses. Can you believe that? Specialized glasses, prescribed glasses, and sunglasses. And their aim basically is to help everyone enjoy their special, unique attitude and personality while rocking their glasses. Without further ado, guys, we're just gonna dive into opening this. I actually didn't open it ever since I got it because I wanted to unbox it with you guys. So let's just go ahead and do that. I'm hitting this thing too much. Let's just go ahead and unbox this. I just want to say a very big shout out and a very big thank you to Vooglam Eyewears for sponsoring today's video. Thank you for sending me these beautiful, amazing pieces. It is such a great opportunity working with you guys and I am grateful. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you for sponsoring this video. Without further ado, let us get right into the video. Focus on me. Okay. Can you focus? I didn't also say, you guys, I'm going to be dropping a discount code at the end of this video. So please make sure to stick around to the end of this video so you get a discount code for all your orders. Okay? Stick around. This is open now and these are mine. These are literally voucher cards for me or coupon cards. And then it comes with this. I think this is for this is a measure for pupil distance. I think yeah, I think it's for the pupil distance, because when you're placing your orders, if you need prescribed glasses, you need to specify, you need to give them some measurements and your prescription literally. Yeah, so this is open and we're just gonna go in. They came with this fiber cloths for cleaning the lenses as usual. So this came with 5 pair of glasses that I'm going to try on and show you guys every little details of these glasses. I'm sure they are beautiful. I'm sure they are absolutely stunning. Let us get right into this video, okay? So the first on the list is this beautiful pair of glasses. I'm sure you can see it. It has like a rainbow colored frame. So this literally can go with every single thing you wear. Every color you wear is gonna look good in this. And it has this gold metal stuff running on the inside of the arm of the glass. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. I'm not like, I can't say much. I honestly cannot say much. Like, these glasses are a little too perfect for me. They're too perfect. The frame is bold, but it's not too big. And it sits on my face very well, like perfectly. I love how the corners are lifted, giving the whole cat's eye illusion thingy going on here. Like, there is a metal running through inside the arm. For me, that's just details, honestly. That is just details. This looks beautiful. I love how all the colors came together and the glasses is not looking too much. It's looking enough. Like it's just the right amount of everything. All the colors in here is not making it look too much or too colorful or too loud. It has many colors, but at the same time subtle enough. No, this is beautiful and I just love it. I love it. I love how it sits on my face. Like, it's just perfect for me. This is beautiful. At the end of this video, I'd like you guys to rate all the glasses according to your preference, you know, which does it most for you and which does it least. I forgot to mention something. These brands also can include the blue light blocking to your glasses if you want them, which is blocking all lights from screens or whatever, and my eyes are being protected at the same time, you know, being stylish and whatever. Anyways, let's get into the next glass.
I liked you better on the first date. I should have said what's wrong in the first place. I don't, cause you always taking it the wrong way. You won't listen, you're too busy playing 2K. I always been down, but you still sleep. And even though I said it, now you should have been peeved. I feel it in my soul, yeah, so deep. So deep, you should know that about me.
You guys, can you see this? This is absolutely beautiful, absolutely stunning. I love how bold this frame is. I've not really had like glasses with bold frames, except if it's like sunshades, but I've not had like, you know, glasses like this with bold frames, and this is just beautiful. I like the whole color thing going on, the black and the transparent. I don't know what other name to call it other than transparent. The black and the transparent, and how they are just slashing through the frame. No, this is gorgeous. And as you can see, inside the glasses has like a square looking like shape. Meanwhile, on the outside, it's a little bit square, but it has like a little bit of a lifted corner here, which, you know, gives your face that upliftment. I don't know if you understand what I mean, but you should, because this glass is actually serving. And the arm of the glass is wide, like it's not as thin as the other ones, is wide, and you can see the whole detail going on here, the shimmers thingy going on here. That's cute. There's another shimmer stuff going on here, and look at this, look at the corner of these glasses, guys. No, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful, and I love this one.
This green light. And you gotta be special when you know I can't have you. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you want to get aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making me believe nightmares turn into a dream? If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it.
Take a picture. Take a picture, baby. Look at this. This is screaming luxury. It is screaming expensive. No, I love this one. I love this one. I never thought I was ever going to own a pair of glasses as square as this one. But girl, it doesn't look bad at all. I just had the feeling that they wouldn't fit me. And I don't know. I still don't know. I know this looks good. So I'd also like to hear what you guys think. What do you think about this pair of glasses, the shape on me? But we're just talking about the shape. Now let's get into the color pattern of this frame. Oh my god. Can you like I can't comport myself, you guys. Can you see the mixture of this brown and black? It's giving animal skin, you know, pattern, and this is absolutely gorgeous. Can you see how the color sits on my skin tone? This color was made for me. We're a match made in heaven. That's all I can say. This is beautiful. It has thin arms. All these glasses are not obstructing my makeup. They are not covering my makeup in any way. You can see my eyes clearly. Like, no, this is beautiful and I love it so much. I love this. I love this. It's so cute. Like, oh, no. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is gorgeous and I love it. What do you guys think? Let's head to the next one.
Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA. So I'ma send a Uber to your place. It's my secret safe. Safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you
Okay.
realize? Do you
Okay. I want to scream. You guys, I'm so sorry. I can't contain it. I just want to scream. Okay, this is going to be the same situation as last time. Fighting and struggling to pick the favorite because, girl, can you see these? Can you see these? Ah. Okay. I feel like these glasses have done all the talking. Like, can you see the details on these glasses? Like, see the whole effigy with the arm of these glasses. Can you see? And then it didn't even stop there. They brought it to the forefront. Like, look at this. No. Can you see how high the end corners are? I feel like I just want to stop there and not talk more. I don't want to go further because what am I going to say that you people cannot see? Like, this is gorgeous. Ugh, in block letters, gorgeous. Maybe this brand should change the name of this glasses to gorgeous because, hello. Oh, no. I've not said anything about this glass. I've just been rambling and rambling and rambling on how beautiful it is. I'm sure you guys can attest to that fact. If I were you, I'll be heading to the description box now to go get, if you're not getting any other glass, this one. This one. I don't know if you see those expensive glasses that people wear and then you look at the arm and then it's the metal itself and it's probably gold or silver or something. But look at this one. Like, there's nothing you can tell me. No, it's giving classy. It's giving bougie at the same time. Okay, maybe not bougie, but it's giving classy definitely. It's giving clean girl, you know. This glasses doesn't have one color on the frame. It has multiple colors on it. But the way they all came together and synchronized and... Nah. No. This is absolutely gorgeous. And I'm going to leave it at that. I've rambled enough. Let's get to the next one.
I liked you better on the first date. I should have said what's wrong in the first place. I don't, cause you always taking it the wrong way. You won't listen, you're too busy playing 2K. I always been down, but you still sleep. And even though I said it, now you should have been peed.
Okay, so guys, before I put this on, I want to talk a little about it because once I put this on, you're not going to be able to see the full arms because of my hair. But then look at the frame of these glasses. Can you see how gorgeous? Can you see the whole detail going on here? Like, this is purely a fizzy. Like, there's nothing you're gonna say. Now look at the edge of the arm. Can you see this? I don't know if you can. I just hope you can see it. This whole design detail thing going on here. That's absolutely cute. This looks like designers. Like, tell me I am not lying. This gives, it's giving luxury, honestly. It looks like a designer glassware. It's so, no. You know when they say less is more? This is it. This is the less is more in actual defined terms because can you see how simple and like it doesn't even have much going on, but yet it's giving everything that it should give. The whole gold detail going around like all through the glasses, even to the bridge of the nose here. Like, no, this is absolutely stunning. This is beautiful. And can you see how it's going with what I'm wearing? No. This is absolutely a love. This is a 100%, a 110 over 100. This is the fifth glass and this is the last one. So you guys should start rating now in the comment section because I don't know which is my best. Honestly, I don't know which is my first. I don't know which is my favorite. I don't know. I don't know. I honestly do not know. I just know that all of these glasses are so beautiful. They're worth your money. There's nothing you can tell me. All you have to do right now is go to the description box, click on the link you see. That's going to take you directly to their website, and you begin shopping. Pick whatever it is you want to pick, add to your cart, and when you are done, before you make payment, you use the coupon code FEIFEI. It's gonna be somewhere on the screen. Somewhere. FEIFEI. And you're going to get 15% off every purchase. Isn't that amazing? 15% off. Every detail to all of these glasses and the brand that you might need is going to be in the description box. So just head to the description box. You're going to see the link, the names, and the link to each and every of these glasses. And yes, use the coupon code FEIFEI, and voila, you have your 15% off, and you have your glasses with you. Like, it is as simple as that. Of course, you can see from all of these glasses that you're going to be getting more for your money. If you want to get your glasses prescribed, you let them know. I'm sure you're going to see the option on the website if you want it prescribed. If you want just normal, everyday glasses with blue light block, it is there. If you want sunglasses, they have everything eyewears that you need. I don't want to go about talking about this again, but then that is the story, and that is the end of the story. All right, thank you guys for sticking on with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to use the coupon code FEIFEI for a 15% discount. And if there's any questions you have relating to this brand, you can also ask me in the comment section. I'm going to take my time to answer your questions and explain whatever it is you need explanations on. But trust me, it is very, very easy to shop on their website. I don't think you're going to have any hard time or difficult time shopping. So that is it for this video. Till next to see you guys. Bye.